Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your PayPal account verified. To begin, first log into your PayPal account from a secure browser or the official app. Once logged in, look for the Summary or Wallet section, usually found on the main dashboard. Here, you should see a notification or a link indicating that your account is not yet verified or offering steps to get verified. Click on this prompt to access the verification options and start the process. This will guide you to choose your preferred method for completing verification. One primary way to verify your PayPal account is by linking and confirming your bank account. Navigate to the Link a Bank Account section and provide your bank's routing and account numbers. PayPal will then send two very small deposits, typically less than $1 each, to your bank account within 3 to 5 business days. Once these deposits appear on your bank statement, return to PayPal, find the verification section again, and enter the exact amounts of those two deposits. This simple step finalizes your bank account verification. If linking a bank account isn't suitable, you can also verify your PayPal account using a debit or credit card. From the verification options, select Link a Card and enter your card details. PayPal will then place a temporary charge, usually around $1.95, on this card. This charge will appear on your online card statement within 2 to 3 business days and will include a unique 4-digit code. Locate this code on your statement, return to PayPal, and enter it in the designated field to complete your card verification. The charge will then be refunded. Once your PayPal account is verified, you will immediately gain access to higher sending and receiving limits, allowing for much greater flexibility in your transactions. This also adds a significant layer of trust, both for you and for those you transact with, reflecting a more secure account status. Always remember to maintain robust security practices, such as using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to keep your verified account safe. Enjoy the full capabilities and peace of mind your verified PayPal account now offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.